Hello and welcome to FC Cymru, brought to you by Eat, Sleep, Footy, Repeat, and you join us on a simply glorious classic night in Newport.
And it's beautiful. We're here at Newport Stadium. Really big game this. Wales women taking on Russia women. Huge match right at top of Group 1. If Wales win, they leapfrog England. They go top of the group with just one game to play.
Big stakes, and plenty more coming in the programme as well. We've got a new recruit, and we've given him his full debut. Dan Jardine is his name, and we thought we'd ease him in slowly by making him try out for the Wales National Walking Football Trials.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We've also got grassroots. We've been to FC Clydach for their 20th anniversary. Fantastic night with Owen Tudor-Jones, so stay tuned for that.
And this is the second part of a double header.
I'm going to stop you.
What?
I've got your present.
Oh my! No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Well,
I was wondering why you were. Yeah. No,
Okay,
you go right ahead.
go.
Yeah.
Like this.
This is so unexpected. So unexpected. It's beautiful. That's.
That is a FAWales special. Here come the girls, and it's especially for you, mate.
That's absolutely beautiful, and you've got the biggest size you could possibly find.
Just thought it.
I'm in no way insulted by that at all.
No. Be great.
Yeah.
Should we go and watch the Bosnia game?
Well, I not get insulted. Let's find out how Wales got on in the first of this World Cup qualifier double header against Bosnia.
How excited are you about seeing Wales tonight?
Very excited.
Yeah.
Very, very excited.
Girls, first of all, how excited are you about here tonight?
Really excited.
What do you love about football?
Just the passion of the game. How competitive it is. Yeah.
And the girls seem to be making an impression on these girls, the Wales women's side.
Well, yeah, and hopefully in a couple of years' time we'll see a couple of these in the international side.
Fancy playing for Wales?
Half time. How are we feeling?
I think it can get better. The game. Wales are going to score. I'm feeling really anxious.
And how's your season then? How did it go?
Top goal scorer.
You were the top goal scorer. How many goals?
127, I think.
You scored 127 goals. You personally or the whole team?
Me personally.
Where was the defence? Right, what's going to happen second half?
I think we're going to score. Wales are going to score because they've had some very good opportunities. Yeah, but I think it's going to end up 1-1.
Wasn't the positive ending I was hoping for, but... All right,
I'm going to win this team!
that's more positive. We'll go with that.
Getting late in the game, 1-0, we've missed the penalty, but yeah, just a few little nervous moments, isn't it? Just a few they've offered nothing.
No, absolutely nothing. No, it really has been sort of attack and bear with us. Okay. There we are. Hold it. Okay, it's fine. Got to hold it out now.
Yeah.
How are we feeling?
Amazing. Ecstatic. Outstanding. It's amazing. What a buzz. What an absolute buzz.
We smashed it, fair play. Well
Deserve
deserved.
it. Absolutely deserve it.
It was a good game. 100% deserved to win that. Like, one really good tackles and really good game.
You know, these teams are not easy, and anybody who looks at it and says, you know, we should have scored 3 or 4, it doesn't work like that really. You know, they were very defensively minded, but as soon as they tired, I thought, you know, we'll get past them, and the penalty was unlucky, but then after that I think, you know, it was just a matter of time really.
Everyone's given 100%. Every time we step on our pitch, we're all in it together and we all work hard for each other. I'm just glad I can put it back in the net and take 3 points for the girls.
Yeah, we're all ecstatic by that. We made it hard for ourselves.
We didn't play to the best of our abilities at times, but we managed to get the win in the end and the goal. And that's all we wanted. We wanted the win, whether it was 1, whether it was 3. So yeah, happy smiles everywhere.
And so, what do you think of the chances against Russia then?
Oh,
2-0.
Don't even need to break a sweat. We got to cover. The girls have got it in the bag. Don't even need to break a sweat. Easy.
I'm not going to lie, we pushed in the queue. It's all gone crazy around us. It's amazing. 1-0 to Wales in the second half, and this place is kicking off. I've grabbed some girls from Villa Dino, local team here in Newport. And how are we feeling?
Very happy.
Very. Do you know, I'm hearing very happy, but I'm not seeing very happy. Let's try it over here. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
Why are you here, girls? Why have you come along tonight?
We were asked to be escorts, and we walked across the field with the players of Wales, and it was awesome.
Who got who? Do you know who you got?
I got the goalie.
You got Laura Sullivan. An experience. You're going to play football forever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever been to a Wales game before?
No.
Are you going to go to more women's games now?
Yeah, definitely.
And are we going to the World Cup?
Yeah.
Fantastic. There we are then. I'm going to take that. That is a proper high quality punditry there. Right. Enough of this excitement. Let's go to other excitement. Let's go and see some walking football. Now, we've got a new recruit. His name is Dan Jardine, and we thought, let's break him in slowly. Let's send him to the Wales National Walking Football Trials. But spoiler alert, wasn't easy.
Hi, I'm Dan Jardine and I'm stood at Cardiff City's House of Sport, where Wales fans have come together today to produce the nation's first international walking football team. Now, trials have taken place all across the country, and the final trials will be taking place here today, as you can see with some of the players playing behind me. Now, friendlies have already been planned with England in the autumn, followed by the European and World Championships. So another great opportunity for our Welsh players to kind of showcase their footballing skills. Now, I'm going to be talking to some of the staff, players and coaches involved today, and I'm also going to be giving it a go, because one of the main rules here in walking football is that you're not allowed to run, and that kind of suits me down to the T, to be honest. So let's give it a go. So how did you get yourself into walking football?
It was actually a neighbour of mine spotted it on Facebook, I think, originally, and yeah, there was a local one starting at Pont and Fife Leisure Centre, so I got involved up there. Yeah, it's just gone on from there. It's been excellent. I've made new friends through it. Definitely fitter now than when I started, and it's just great. You know, physically, mental health as well. You just feel so much more on the ball. Just changed my life really. It's been really a bit of a second wind.
Okay, so just about to go on. Adrenaline's pumping. We've done our warm-ups. I'm a little bit intimidated, to be honest. There's a lot of players here who are really getting stuck in. There's a lot of rules to follow as well. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to going on, but I think these old boys are going to put me through my paces. So I'm here with Martin. He's the assistant manager here for the Welsh walking football team. Of course, the game itself, I mean, I've just been experiencing it, and it is fantastic. It's an amazing kind of development on the game, really, and especially for older people as well to get involved.
At one point, and you can see your testament to it, but it's not supposed to be called walking football, because although they're walking, the intensity is what you've seen today. And the one thing that every one of these boys have got is that A, they love the game, the camaraderie, and they're playing again. They look around. You've got these boys thinking they're 25 again. And the level is, after today, they could be wearing a Welsh shirt. So that's where we're going.
It's tough, mate. It's tough. Oh, yeah.
To be honest, I never thought I'd play football again. I'm going to have somebody said to me 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, you'd be playing football. Even thinking about playing for Wales, the national team of Wales, I would have said you're absolutely dreaming.
What would it mean to pull on the Wales shirt?
Absolutely everything. I mean, I'm Welsh, I was born in Wales, my family live in Wales. It'd mean everything to me personally. I think of the journey that I've been on as a Marine, as a firefighter, think of all the surgery I've had, think of all the effort they'll put in to try and get back fit. It would just be absolutely amazing.
I've had a great day here down at Cardiff City House of Sport. It's been tough, it's been gruelling, but of course it's been enjoyable. It's been a great day full of walking football, and I wish all the Wales walking football boys the best because they're up against England next. If you want to know more details about getting involved, of course head to the website. The link is here. Now I'm really tired. I'm going to go have a shower. See you guys soon.
Tell you what,
oh man!
Tell you what, we do love a 3-0 against Russia on a June night, don't we?
I love nothing better than a 3-0 against Russia on a June night. It's my favourite night of the year.
Hayley Green, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Smashed it, 2 goals, and set up Tash Hardings as well.
Oh, and across the park, absolutely epic across the park. The scenes behind us are fantastic.
And what you'll be seeing right now is all those pictures at the end of the girls celebrating wonderful, wonderful scenes, the dancing, just so much, and then for the crowd here as well. Absolutely wonderful.
And people staying behind, they want to be here. They want to be. They know that this is a massive, special moment for women's football in Wales. Fantastic stuff. Thoroughly deserved.
No, absolutely. Right, shall we get in amongst it and go and talk to some of the girls?
Yeah. Now, while we do that, you're going to go and see, well, us actually. It's grassroots football time. Now, we went to see a fantastic club. They invited us to their 25th anniversary. Very nice of them.
Absolutely.
We're going to find out more about FC Clydach.
These clubs, you almost don't realise, you forget about the clubs until you attend an evening like this, and you fully realise how much their football club, as small as it seems from the outside, means to the people, to the community, and it's massive, especially these days in the football world where so much focus is given on top level and in the league slightly below. These clubs are so important. But it happens all across the country, of course it does, but to get to know these people, to hear some of their stories, the fact that some people can't attend, and you see the videos of those guys and the reaction that gets, and also seeing people that have come in from Ireland, people who are students in Swansea and decided to play for Clydach. They've made the effort to come. I think that shows the sense of community that this football club has.
Oh, it's massive. We got over 180 players playing in the local area, and it gives them something to do. It gives them a friendship. They learn about winning, they learn about losing, they learn about camaraderie, and it's a unique club in that when they play for us, they tend not to go anywhere else. And I mean, that testament tonight is, tonight where you've got people travelling from Ireland, from the top of England, from London, to come back to enjoy tonight, and it means a lot to everyone who's here.
So I'm from Ireland, but came over to uni to Wales. I met the Daly family, and I joined FC Clydach in 1999. I knew a little bit about Wales, but not much about Wales. Got to Clydach. I remember asking, so what's the best team in Clydach? And there was a couple of teams back then. I remember Damien Daly always going, we're the best team in Clydach. Of course we are. As an Irish guy moving over to the UK and living in Wales and all that, FC just became my friends, my family, and everything I wanted to be. It was great.
I'm Catherine. I'm Sean. We are the Clydach Widows. The husbands leave about 12 o'clock on a Saturday, and then we see them on a Sunday if we're lucky. Yeah, and it's always a big game. Oh yeah, a big game every week. Really important game every week. Big game. If they lose, they got to drown their sorrows, and if they win, they got to celebrate. Yeah.
And the big thing is enjoyment. It's fun. It's football. It's a game. You want to be with your mates, and it's about enjoyment and just having fun, and that's the biggest thing you can have, and that's what we've had since the age of 17 when I first played. to the age of 38 now, 38, not 48,
Is it tiring
is
soon?
that I still enjoy it now as much as I did when I was 17, and that's the biggest thing you can say. It's fun.
I loved it. Really good night. Shame I couldn't be on the drinks with them because they seem to be having a real good time now, but a good night.
Hey, you know all these serious journalism interviews that you get? Yeah, this is one of those. That was amazing. That was amazing. How does that feel?
Oh, brilliant. I mean, I can't believe the girls it made it easy for us at the back of the end. 3-0.
Oh, you had quite a quiet time. I mean, apart from the little bump there. That's a
Got a
beauty.
bit of a shiner.
But seriously though, I mean, it was an epic performance. It was just fantastic. It just looked like you were just confident and in control all the time.
Yeah, I think our team bond really came over in that display. You can see how together the girls, especially midfield strikers, absolutely working their bums off. Like absolutely such a shift. So yeah, they absolutely brilliant hard work and all came together and yeah, we're buzzing.
It's Hayley Green. You might remember her from the first game where she got player of the match and another two. Go Hayley.
I know.
Good as
It's great.
that.
It's amazing. I actually cried at the end, and I never cry, but it's so emotional because this campaign we knew that we could win, and we knew that we would win if we all stuck together and put 100%. And you know what? It just shows we've taken 6 points over 2 games. It's fantastic.
That ending was incredible. Just the atmosphere, the fans, you guys, between yourself, just brilliant.
Yeah, do you know what? This red wall keeps getting bigger, they keep getting louder, and do you know what? It makes our journey so much easier. The louder they are, when we can hear them, it just drives us on, and it's brilliant. They just got to keep coming and keep making our noise.
That second goal, that little lob. Beautiful.
Yeah, it was a great through ball. Do you know what? Usually I look at the goalkeepers, but fair play to Russia, I didn't know which goalkeeper, and do you know what? She come off a line, there was an opportunity, and it went in, and it was great. And I applaud it.
Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we go to France?
I believe we can. You know, we have so much confidence. We know England's going to be a hard game because we know there's still work to do on the pitch. You know, there's things that we're not happy about that happened today, and also Bosnia game. So we'll go away, we'll work hard, and we'll be prepared for the England game.
And you've got a message for Owen as well, haven't you?
Owen? 2 man of the matches, 2 champagnes. Where are they?
We need that champagne.
I'm still leaving empty-handed, but you know.
I mean, that's how I feel. That's how you feel. I feel.
I feel proud. I feel really, really proud. I hope you've enjoyed these episodes because we sort of see the girls behind the scenes and training and all that kind of stuff, and we just know how much this means to them. We know the effort and the professionalism that they put into this. So when you see that, it just makes you so proud.
It was just magnificent. And you guys were magnificent as well. The 1,200 that came, a sellout crowd here as well. The reception all the way through was amazing. Songs, we had anthems, and you saw what it meant to them right at the end. It was just epic stuff.
There is one more game to go though, so we will not get too carried away. We'll look ahead to the summer, but you know, what a great way to finish. It's wonderful.
It was absolutely fantastic. Right, as ever, if you would like to reach out and touch us, then social media details are across the bottom of the screen. But for this edition of FC Cymru, brought to you by Eat, Sleep, Footy, Repeat, ta-da.
I need a cup of tea.